everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing Boxycharm. I wasn't expecting this. I was getting ready for the day and I received an email saying that I received this box, so I ran to grab it and let's see if I can finish my makeup today with this box. Let's dive into this video. For those of you who are new to the Boxycharm world, this is a 21 subscription box that is always worth over $100 inside the box. So let's see what we got this month. Let's open this. Let's see what is in this one. So it has the Peace Love Boxy. This is very cute for spring. It had, I kind of have this in my house, in the front of my house. If you follow me on Instagram, you have probably seen a picture of my Riviera palette in one of those beauty plants. Okay, so the first item that I see here is this Diamond Glow Powder. And I'm not so sure if this is a finishing powder or this is a highlighter. So I will have to open and see what it is. Okay, let's start from taking this little thing out of there. It was extremely hard. Oh my god, I have to use this, I have to move it around. It was so difficult to get that plastic out of the way. Unbelievable. I'm having too many issues with it. This is how it looks like. I would say it's a very pretty color. I like the color, it's very subtle. It's very pretty highlighter. I just don't like the packaging. I don't like the packaging. I don't appreciate this. Packaging is very messy. It's all over the place. It was hard to get it out. I don't know, maybe a different packaging would have been better for this product. Alright, the second product I see here is a mascara. And this mascara is by the brand Butter London. Let me show you better. This mascara. And whoa, this is a very thick one. Like, it's very thick. The following item that I see in the box is this liner. And this one is by the brand, I don't see the name, Beauty For Real. So what color is this? This is black. This is a very good liner. I like, it's very vibrant. I like the color, I like the tip. It's very nice. I like it. It looks good. The next item that I see is these brushes, and I already excited about it. It's by the brand Lots. And let's open this one and see what they look like. Alright, so this is how the brushes looks like, and it's a trio. They have the names on it and a number. Very nice. Remember that I actually appreciate those kind of things, and I like how pretty is this. I like the colors that it has. Very pretty. They're very soft. The big one is for contouring. This one, medium one, is for a large shadow, so this is for the eye. And this one is a small shadow, so it's also for the eye. This one for contouring, I'm not so sure, but I will try them and see how they perform. And my final item is this eyeshadow palette that I'm very curious about. So it's by this brand Pure, and it's this theme, like very California feeling and vibe. The glasses, the orange is very pretty. It's festival, like the name it says. Let's open it up and see how it looks like. Right, it has inside this little guy. This is for the eyeshadow primer. And this is the palette. That's how it looks like. Very pretty. Then when you open it up, it has this nice glass on it. And these are the colors. This is Cover Protected. Let's take this out. Wow, and look at this palette. A lot of palettes are getting these kind of colors right now, and maybe a little bit of this too. I really like this mustache color, kind of like that kind of like dark yellow kind of vibe. It's more like an orange. I don't know. I really like it. But we have here pressed shimmers. So 24 Magic and Fireworks. These two here, I don't know. I don't really use those much. So besides these three colors, these four colors, this one, this one, this one, and this one, we have a very new palette. I'm not so sure. Let's try it. Let's put it on and see how it performs. So for the prices, let's say this is worth $36. There you go. You already have over there the entire box. Super payoff. Then we have the set of brushes, $28. That's a little bit overpriced for those brushes. Where are they? They are here. I don't think I will pay that much for these brushes, but okay, that's what they say it is. The powder. This powder is $27. Again, overpriced. This is only 4.5 grams of product. That's very little. The mascara, which is a brand that I don't know, is very bulky, very big, very big. It's $20. That's the standard for a high-end, I guess. Beauty for Real. The eyeliner, which is this one. This is $16. It looks very good. I like the consistency. I like how it looks like. So let's try all of these products right now. Alright, so let's start with the eyes and let's grab the palette. And I didn't use the base for the eyes that they brought with it because I don't know how it's gonna work. So I didn't want to risk it. I used my old-time Urban Decay. So let's try the eyeshadows, and for that I'm gonna grab my brush Phosphora number 38, and I'm gonna grab the color Epic, which is this light brown that is in here, or kind of like orangey. I don't know, it has a weird color. I don't know how to describe it. Let's start putting that color in the crease and see how it looks like. Alright, so I put the base already, and I'm gonna grab the little more dark color, and I'm gonna get the Hidden Desert, this one here. And I'm gonna put that here in the outer part of the eye, just to give it more dimension. Now I'm gonna grab Sunset, and I'm gonna get a different brush. I'm gonna use this one that it says a Small Shatter from the Lucy trio. So I'm gonna grab Sunset and see how it looks this one on. It's not very pigmented, and it's kind of like doesn't want to stay in the eye. I don't know, I have to kind of like work on it there. So to give it a little more color and make it look more nice, I'm gonna get the Psychedelic, something like that, that's the name of this one, and I'm gonna put it in the center of the eye, and for that I'm gonna be using my finger. I have to be honest with you guys, this haven't been the best palette I have tried in my life, and actually it's quite so. I don't really like the palette that much. I'm sorry Boxycharm, and I'm sorry Pure, but this is not like wow, amazing. No. Alright guys, let's move on with the eyeliner, and I hope this is more promising. This is Finish Line, and this is in the Beauty for Real brand, in the color obviously black. So I'm gonna put it on and see how it looks like. I don't like liners very much because I feel like it's a lot of work, but this liner is really good. I liked it. It was really easy to use. I'm gonna put some liner in the waterline just to make it more dark and more like dramatic, but this is really good. I like it. Alright, let's now try the mascara. And how much scared is in this? This is big business. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to use in my lower lash. It's just too big and clumpy. Too much for me. Too much for my heart to handle this. Whoa. I mean, I will say it helps to make your lashes look drastically weird. No, I don't like this. It's too big. It's too big. Let me grab a small one for my lower lashes. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash, which is not the best either, but it's easier to apply. Let's add the highlighter, and let's grab the brush from the Few Star collection and let's put that in there. Let's see how this performs. Yeah, I do like it. It looks pretty. I go back to the palette and I'm gonna grab a color to put it under my eyebrow bone, and I'm gonna get the Free Spirit, which is this one in here, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that here, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that in my inner, in my water inner eye, right there, a little bit to open up more the eye. And I think we are almost done. Let's put a lipstick, and I'm gonna put the first one that I see. My favorite one. It's been my favorite one. Oh my god. This was last month. Boxycharm. Amazing. I love it. My Becca. Alright guys, what do I think about this box? Unfortunately, this is haven't been... I'm getting itchy. This is haven't been the best one. I think they concentrate a lot in the eyes, in like the highlighter and the eyes this time. Everything was basically for the eyes. The mascara, the eyeliner, the shadows, the brushes, and the highlighter. It was everything for this area. Nothing for the lips, nothing for the skin. I don't know. I don't think this palette is the best palette. I mean, it's okay. It's fine, but I'm not excited. It's nothing there that I'm like, wow, I love it. No. They have the pressed glitters that I'm not really sure how to manipulate them much. The brushes are overpriced. These 3 brushes, $28. They're pretty, but I don't think they should be that price. This is way too expensive. No, no, no. This, I don't like how thick it is. It's too thick, it's too difficult to use it for the lower lashes. I don't think this is I will do all my eyes with this. No. I like the color of this. I like how it blends. I don't like where it comes with. I mean, this. I don't like this. It's very messy. It's difficult to grab it. You waste a lot of product. I'm not a fan of this kind of concept. The eyeliner, great. I mean, your girl is not perfect with eyeliners. I don't do eyeliners constantly. I think this is the first time I do eyeline in my channel. I do it before, obviously, but I just don't do it here much. I just don't feel like I need to do it all the time, so I just don't do it. And it's very hard for me to get it off on my eyes when I'm trying to wash and take off my makeup, so I tend not to use it often. But this one was super easy to apply. I really enjoy applying with this one. I like the tip. It's very fine and flexible. It's not extremely flexible, it's not extremely stiff. It's in the good range. It's a good one. And this is the only product that I have nothing bad to say about. I like the color, I like the pigment, I like the shape, I like everything. It's a very good, nice product, and I think the price is okay too. But everything else, I'm sorry, Boxycharm, this month is not good. I mean, maybe I got spoiled from last month. Look guys, I've still been using this a lot. Actually, the blush that I'm using today is from here. It's very minimal, very light what I'm using, but I have that. So I've been using this I've been using this every day since I opened my Boxycharm from March. So I don't know if I got spoiled or what it is, or that box was just amazing. Obviously it was bossy lots, but still it was so good. It was so good. I got stuck on that one, I guess, because this one is just not pulling the trigger for me. I'm not happy with it. I'm just feeling like it's okay, let's see next month. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Give a like to this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!